5G iPad Pro may launch later this year, report claims. Cupertino-based tech giant Apple is reportedly planning to launch its first ever 5G iPad this year, apart from the rumored 5G-capable iPhone 12 in September. For this, a Taiwanese component company, Advanced Semiconductor Engineering (ASE), has reportedly broken into the supply chain for Apple's mmWave 5G iPhones and 5G iPads with its substrate-based FCAIP flip chip antenna in package technology. Apple Insider reported the news, citing Taiwanese publication Digitimes that usually covers supply chain developments. Apple is expected to update the iPad Pro in early 2020, but a 5G model could debut later in the year. Apple watching analyst Ming-Chi Kuo recently revealed that the iPhone maker is expected to release new iPad Pro models with rear 3D sensing in the first half of 2020. Kuo, in a research note with TF International Securities, said the iPad Pro models will gain 3D sensing through the rear-facing camera system. As per the report, Apple is expected to use a time-of-flight system, which measures the time that it takes for light to bounce off of objects in a room to generate a 3D map. Additionally, Kuo also reiterated that Apple plans to release its low-cost iPhone SE 2 in the first half of 2022. The iPhone SE 2 will use a 10-layer substrate like PCB SLP for its motherboard, the same technology used by the iPhone 11 version. Kuo expects the device to look similar to the iPhone 8 and believes it will be a popular upgrade option for existing iPhone 6 and iPhone 6's owners. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.